Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to discuss the relationship between the sides of a triangle. In another way we can say the properties of a triangle. So already you people know the sum of the measure of three angles is 180. That is very important property based on angles. That property also I am going to write here. So the sum of the measure of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, right? Here the interior angles you can say. Suppose this is A, this is B and this is C. The angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. So the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, and we can also call this property as angle sum property. So this property is based on angles, right? Now we are going to discuss what is the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Means properties of triangle based on sides. So based on sides, the first property is sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Here what is meant by sum, children? You know, sum is nothing but addition. So when you add the two lengths of two sides of a triangle, that value should be greater than the third side. If this property satisfies, then we can say that forms a triangle. Otherwise, triangle is not possible. For example, I am taking one triangle here. A, B, C. Okay, so here 6 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. Here AB is 4 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters and AC is 5 centimeters. So we need to check here the sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle. So here I am taking first AB plus BC. Means I am adding this two. So how much you got? 4 plus 6, that is 10 centimeters, right? And the value of 10 is greater than 5 centimeters. What is the other side? 5, right? Here 10 is greater than 5 centimeters. That is nothing but this is AC. So by this we got AB plus BC is greater than AC. Means when you are adding any two sides of a triangle, the value should be greater than the third side. Now we will consider other two sides, children, 6 and 5. Okay, that is BC plus AC. What is BC? 6 centimeters. What is AC? 5 centimeters. So you got here 11. And what is the other side, third side? 4. That is 11 is greater than 4 centimeters. So here I can say BC plus AC is greater than AB. Yes, children. Now take other two sides. Here we completed 4 and 6. Now 6 and 5 completed. Now we will take 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is nothing but AC plus AB. Shall I type AC plus AB? That is 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. This is nothing but 9 centimeters. And 9 centimeters is greater than the third side. What is the third side here? 6 centimeters. Yes, that is AC plus AB is greater than BC. So finally we got that sum of all the two sides, any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Here I can say triangle is possible. If it is not greater than the third side, then we can say triangle is not possible. Now one more example we are going to take, children, here. P, Q, R, right? Suppose QR is 5 centimeters, PQ is 3 centimeters and PR is 6 centimeters. Yeah, add any two sides. Roughly I am doing here 3 plus 5 I am adding. I am adding these two sides. How much you got? 3 plus 5, 8. Here 8 is greater than 6 or not? Yes, true. Yes? Now I will add other two sides. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is how much? 11. Is 11 is greater than 3? Yes, true. Now other two sides. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. Is 9 greater than 5? Yes, true. Therefore, I can say triangle is possible because the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. Now, suppose the measurements are like this: x, y, and this is z. So, suppose this is 6 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeters. Okay, children. Now we will see whether triangle is possible with these measurements or not. Now here I am adding 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. Here 8 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. Next, coming to other two sides, you add 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. Here 9 is greater than 2. Yes, true. And what about other two sides? 2 and 3. So when you add 2 and 3, you will get 5. Is 5 is greater than 6? No, it is false. Here in this case, if all the three conditions are true, then we can say triangle is possible. But here 5 is not greater than 6. Therefore, we can write triangle is not possible. So when you construct, you are going to learn construction of triangles in 9th chapter, children. Here when you are going to construct also, when you draw 6 centimeters, xy, from 2 centimeters the arc will come here, 3 centimeters the arc will come here. Means triangle we cannot construct because here 5 is not greater than 6. So important property is sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the lengths of third side. Next, coming to second property, children. Difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is less than the length of third side. What is meant by difference here? Subtraction. So when you subtract any two sides of a triangle, the value should be less than the third side. So I will show you with the example, children. Here, consider a triangle A, B, C. Right? Suppose this is 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay? Subtraction. Subtraction means what? Minus. Here when you subtract, here this 2, 6 minus 4. Right? So 6 minus 4. What is the answer? 2. 2 should be smaller than third side. Here 2 is smaller than 5. What is the third side here? Yes, children? So it is true. Okay? Now, suppose if I take this 2, 6 and 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. And 1 is smaller than 4. Yes? True. Now take other two sides, 5 and 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. 1 is smaller than 6. Yes, true. Here, if you observe, the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So here, triangle is possible. Okay, children. Now we'll consider another triangle here. P, Q, R. Right? Here, 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Now we'll do here. Take first any two sides, 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. And compare with the 6. 2 is less than 6. Then it is true. Right, children? Now another two sides. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. Here 1 is less than 3. Yes? True. Now another 2. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. What is the third side? 5. 3 is less than 5. True. So in this case, triangle is possible. Okay. Now we will consider where triangle is not possible. Right. Now for example, 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Okay. Here x, y, z. Now this 2. 6 minus 3. 3. Is 3 is less than 2, children? What is other side? Is 3 is less than 2? No, 3 is greater than 2. So here it is false. 3 is not less than 2. It is false. Right? Now other two sides. 3 minus 2. 1. Compare with the 6. Yes, it is true. Next, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. Is 4 is less than 3? So it is false. Right, children? So here we are not getting all the three, means the difference between the lengths of two sides of a triangle is less than third side is not possible in this triangle. So we can say that triangle is not possible. So very important properties, children. So before if they are asking you to check whether triangle is possible or not, based on angles, you should add the three angles, you should get 180. If you are getting more than 180, triangle is not possible. If you are getting less than 180, also triangle is not possible. Based on sides, the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side, and the difference of two sides of a triangle should be less than the third side. Now, based on the properties of sides of a triangle, we are going to do exercise 1 of 5th chapter, triangle and its properties. So, coming to the first question, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So, here they have given 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So, we have to check whether triangle is possible or not by using properties, children. So, first property, the sum of the sides of any two sides of a triangle should be the greater than the third side, and the difference of any two sides should be less than the third side. So you can use any one property, children. By that we can say whether triangle is possible or not. Here we are going to use the first property. Sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. Here when you add 3 plus 4, so 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. And what is the third side? 5. Is 7 is greater than 5? Yes, it is true. Now consider other two sides. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. Is 9 greater than 3? Yes, true. Next other two, 3 and 4 finished, 4 and 5 finished. We need to take here 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 8 is greater than 4. Yes, true. Here we got all the three conditions true. Therefore, we can say that triangle is possible. Okay, children. Now coming to the next question. Here 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters means all the three sides are equal. So when all the three sides of a triangle are equal, what type of triangle it is? Yes, equilateral triangle. Here obviously you will get the possible only. Here 6 plus 6. Here I am adding this 2. How much? 12. Is 12 greater than 6? Yes, true. Now other two, 6 plus 6. Same you get. 12 is greater than 6. Yes, true. Another 6 plus 6. 12 is greater than 6. Here you are getting all the three conditions true. Therefore, we can write that triangle is possible. Next, third one is this 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Right? We are going to check here now. 4 plus 4. How much? 8. Is 8 is greater than 8? Here the sum of two sides should be greater than. But here you are getting equal. So it is false. Because 8 is not greater than 8. 8 is equal to 8. But you need to get greater. Right? Next another 2. 4 plus 8. Is equal to how much? 12. 12 is greater than 4? Yes, true. Now next 4 plus 8. How much? 12. 12 is greater than 4? Yes, true. But here one condition is false. Therefore, we can write that triangle is not possible. Okay, children. Next, fourth one, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Here first we are going to add 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Is 8 greater than 7? Yes. Next to 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Is 12 greater than 3? Yes. Next to 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. Is 10 greater than 5? Yes, true. Here all the conditions are true. Therefore, triangle is possible.